Tired of seeing someone post but you don't want to unfriend them? I have got a super easy trick to snooze their post for 30 days. Let's dive in. But firstly, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution. Today I'll walk you through the process of how to snooze someone on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open your Facebook app. Easy, right? Let's keep going. Scroll your newsfeed or search for a post from a person, page or group you want to snooze. Got it? If yes, then see those three dot icon at the post. Give that a tap. This is where the magic happens. Now look for the option that says snooze for 30 days. Tap it and you won't see their post for a whole month. That's it, you just curated your feeds in seconds. Feeling better already, right? So this is how to snooze someone from Facebook. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.